Hello friends. Welcome back to Jaed English Center. Today, we are going to learn about BRICS, one of the most important groups in the world. BRICS is a team of 5 countries that work together to grow stronger in the global economy. These countries are Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. The group started in 2009 and became a strong voice in international trade and politics. In this video, we will explore the history, members, goals, achievements, challenges, and fun facts about BRICS. We will also learn English in an easy and interesting way. So stay with us as we take a journey through the world of BRICS. Discover how these countries help each other, trade together, and become a powerful team. By the end, you will know amazing facts about BRICS and improve your English at the same time. BRICS is a term that was first used to describe for large countries with growing economies: Brazil, Russia, India, and China. These countries are very different from each other, but they share a common goal: to become stronger together in the global economy. The idea of BRIC was first discussed in 2001 by an economist who noticed that these 4 countries had large populations, fast-growing economies, and many natural resources. He believed that if these countries worked together, they could play a bigger role in world trade. In 2009, the BRIC countries decided to meet and form an official group. Their goal was to discuss economic issues, trade opportunities, and ways to help each other grow. This marked the beginning of BRIC as an important international group. Initially, the group included only 4 countries, but in 2010, South Africa joined, and the group became BRICS. South Africa brought a new perspective from Africa, along with rich natural resources. This addition made the group more diverse and stronger. The main purpose of BRICS is to balance the world economy. Many experts thought that countries like the USA and the European Union had too much influence in international trade. BRICS wanted to create a fair system where developing countries could have a bigger voice. BRICS countries hold annual summits where leaders meet to discuss global trade, politics, and development projects. One key project is the new development bank, which helps member countries invest in infrastructure and growth. Even though the countries are different in culture, language, and politics, they share economic goals. They want to increase trade among themselves, invest in each other's businesses, and create opportunities for their citizens. Over time, BRICS became more than just a group. It is now a symbol of cooperation, unity, and economic power. Today, BRICS represents almost half of the world's population and contributes significantly to global trade and production, despite challenges like political differences and economic crises. BRICS continues to work together. Its history shows that cooperation between countries can create great changes in the world. BRICS has taught us an important lesson. When countries with different strengths unite for a common purpose, they can make a huge impact on the global stage. This is why BRICS is one of the most watched and studied groups in the world today. The BRICS group is made up of 5 countries, each unique and powerful in its own way. Let's look at each member. Brazil is the largest country in South America. It is famous for its rainforests, rivers, and natural resources. Brazil has a growing economy, and it produces a lot of coffee, soybeans, and meat. Brazil's role in BRICS is important because it represents Latin America and brings natural resources and trade opportunities to the group. Russia is the largest country in the world by land area. It is rich in energy resources, such as oil and natural gas. Russia's economy depends heavily on these resources. In BRICS, Russia plays a key role in energy supply, politics, and global influence. India is the world's second most populous country. It is known for its technology, IT services, and fast-growing economy. India also has a large workforce and a strong education system. In BRICS, India contributes technology, trade, and a growing market for goods. China is the most populous country in the world. It is famous for manufacturing and exports. China produces a huge number of goods which are exported all over the world. In BRICS, China is important for trade, investment, and economic growth. South Africa is the only African country in BRICS. It has rich natural resources, including gold, platinum, and diamonds. South Africa helps BRICS by bringing African perspectives and opportunities. Its participation makes BRICS more diverse and global together. These 5 countries represent different continents, cultures, and economic strengths. They work to support each other, trade goods, and create stronger economies. BRICS countries also cooperate in science, education, and technology. For example, they share knowledge about renewable energy, farming techniques, and IT development. This helps all countries grow faster and solve common problems by working together. BRICS. Countries create a stronger voice in international organizations. They can discuss world trade rules, environmental issues, and global health problems more effectively. The diversity of BRICS is a big strength. Each country brings unique skills and resources. When combined, they create a powerful alliance that can influence the world, economy, and politics. BRICS also encourages cultural exchange. People from member countries visit each other, learn languages, and share traditions. This makes the group more united and understanding. BRICS was created to strengthen the economies of its member countries and create a balanced world economy. Each country has its own strengths, and together they can support each other in trade, business, and development. One main goal of BRICS is to increase trade among member countries. By trading goods and services with each other, the countries can grow faster and create more jobs. For example, India exports technology services to Brazil, while Russia sends energy resources to China. Another goal is economic cooperation, BRICS. Countries work together to invest in each other's projects, such as infrastructure, energy, and education. This helps all countries develop faster and reduce dependence on Western countries. BRICS also aims to share knowledge and technology. Members exchange ideas about science, medicine, agriculture, and technology, which helps improve the lives of millions of people. Politics is another important area. BRICS countries often meet to discuss global issues such as climate change, world trade rules, and health crises. By working together, they can have a stronger voice in international organizations. The group also focuses on reducing inequality. Many developing countries face challenges in trade and economy. BRICS tries to create opportunities so that everyone benefits fairly. BRICS wants to create a fairer international financial system. They have started projects like the New Development Bank, which funds infrastructure projects in member countries. This gives them more control over their own growth. Another important purpose is global influence. BRICS countries want to be part of important decisions in the world economy and politics. Together, they are stronger than any single country alone. Education and culture are also goals of BRICS. They encourage student exchange programs, cultural events, and cooperation in research. This helps people from different countries understand each other better. Finally, BRICS promotes peace and stability. By working together, the countries aim to solve global problems peacefully and create a world where cooperation is more important than conflict. In summary, the goals of BRICS include economic growth, cooperation, global influence, fair trade, and cultural exchange. These purposes make BRICS a very important group in the world today. BRICS has achieved many important milestones since its formation. One major achievement is the new development bank, NDB. This bank provides loans for infrastructure and development projects in member countries. It helps countries grow without depending too much on Western banks. BRICS countries also hold annual summits. These meetings allow leaders to discuss global issues, trade agreements, and economic cooperation. Many important decisions are made during these summits. Trade among BRICS countries has grown significantly over the years. For example, China and India trade billions of dollars worth of goods, and Russia provides energy to Brazil and South Africa. This strengthens their economies and creates jobs. BRICS has also worked on science and technology projects. They share knowledge about space, research, renewable energy, and digital technologies. This helps all member countries stay competitive in the modern world. Another achievement is global recognition. BRICS countries are now taken seriously in international organizations, such as the United Nations and the World Trade Organization. They influence decisions that affect the global economy. BRICS has also focused on development in Africa and other regions. They fund projects that improve roads, schools, hospitals, and energy supplies. This shows that BRICS is not only about economics but also about helping people live better lives. Cultural exchange programs have been successful too. People from different BRICS countries learn languages, traditions, and skills from each other. This makes the group more united and stronger. In short, BRICS has achieved economic growth, strong trade relations, technological cooperation, global influence, and cultural unity. These achievements show why BRICS is one of the most important international groups today. BRICS has many achievements, but it also faces challenges. One challenge is political differences. Each country has its own government and policies, which sometimes make cooperation difficult. Economic differences are another problem. China has a very large economy, while other members, like South Africa, are smaller. This creates imbalance in decision-making. Another challenge is trade competition. Even though BRICS countries trade with each other, they also compete in the global market, which can create tension. Critics say that BRICS is not always effective in solving global problems. Meetings and summits are helpful, but sometimes decisions take too long. Some people also point out that BRICS needs to include more countries to have a bigger impact on the world economy. Despite these challenges, BRICS continues to work together and find solutions. Cooperation, dialogue, and compromise are key to overcoming these difficulties. In conclusion, challenges do exist, but BRICS remains a strong and important group because the countries share a common goal of growth and cooperation. Here are some fun facts about BRICS. 1. BRICS countries represent almost 42% of the world's population. That's more than 3 billion people. 2. They cover over 30% of the world's land area, including forests, mountains, deserts, and rivers. 3. BRICS countries have many natural resources like oil, gas, gold, diamonds, and farmland. 4. They have different languages and cultures, which makes the group very diverse and interesting. 5. BRICS countries meet every year in different member nations for summits. 6. Each country brings unique skills and ideas, like technology from India, manufacturing from China, energy from Russia, agriculture from Brazil, and minerals from South Africa. 7. BRICS encourages student exchange programs and cultural events to connect people from different countries. 8. The group is also involved in global projects like renewable energy and infrastructure development. 9. BRICS countries often share research and technology, including medicine, IT, and space projects. 10. Together, BRICS shows that countries can unite, cooperate, and grow stronger while respecting their differences. BRICS is not just a group of countries. It is a symbol of cooperation, diversity, and global strength. Learning about BRICS helps us understand how the world works and why countries need to help each other. So friends, now you know everything about BRICS. It is a group of 5 important countries working together to grow stronger and influence the world economy. We learned about the history, members, goals, achievements, challenges, and fun facts of BRICS. BRICS shows that when countries unite and cooperate, they can achieve great things. Remember, understanding groups like BRICS also helps you learn English and global knowledge at the same time. If you liked this video, please subscribe to Jaed English Center. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Keep exploring the world, learning English, and discovering amazing facts about countries and people. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.